Good morning, Shrestha. So this is your fourth chapter, clothes we wear. We'll start this chapter, okay? So open the page number 24. Good morning, Oshmit. Good morning, Sania. Open the page number 24, clothes we wear, okay? So let's start. Clothes is our basic need, right? It's we call the basic need. So we have the three basic needs: clothes, food and house. So these three are our basic need. Here we have to learn about clothes. Clothes are our basic need and we wear clothes to cover our body, right? We wear clothes to cover our body. Do you know the other things that for why we wear clothes? Do you know? Anyone? That why we from which things we protect us by clothes? Susan, open your EVS book at page number 24. Anyone know this? From which things we protect us by clothes? Sunlight, and that is heat, not sunlight is the perfect answer. Shivam, it's we call heat because from the sun we get the very much heat, and for the sunlight there are very much heat in the summer season, right? So very good. Cold, heat, dust and rain. So clothes is our basic needs. So I told you that basic needs are which things we needed very eventually. That means we need this most. Okay, that's very important. And they are clothes, house and food. These three are our basic needs and we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body and protect us. Everyone use your chat box to answer me. Use your chat box, everyone, fast. Shrestha, use your chat box. And protect us from heat. Susan, answer me, not only cold, there are also three things, you know, right? So tell me those names. Why are you late? So we wear clothes to cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust and pollution also. So that's why we wear clothes, right? And you know that we wear the different type of clothes. Our every clothes are different from one another, right? Very good, Shrestha. Cold, rain, heat and dust. Ahanaf and everyone use your chat box. Somagni, use your chat box to give me the answer, okay? Somagni, I can't hear you, so use your chat box. If any questions, if any inquiry, use this chat box. So we wear clothes made up of different materials at different times of the year. So do you know that which clothes we wear in summer time? Now it's summer time, right? So tell me that which type of clothes we wear. Ahanab, heat spelling is wrong. H-E-A-T, heat. I write here. You can see. H-E-A-T, heat, not H-I-T. Okay, H-E-A-T, heat. Very good, Shibam. Cotton clothes. So we wear cotton clothes in the summer season, right? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. And very good, Shana, Shrestha. So these cotton clothes made up of cotton and we wear it in summer season. Okay. So that is the different type material and different types of clothes. Did you understand? Cotton clothes, cotton clothes, we wear it in summer, right? We wear it in summer and it's made up of cotton. Very good. So tell me that which types of clothes we wear in winter? Which type of clothes we wear in winter? You know. Which type of clothes? Very good, Ahanab. Susan, that summer time we wear cotton clothes and these clothes made up of cotton material. That is the different material, right? Cotton material. But not every time we wear cotton clothes, and the winter season we wear wool clothes. Very good, Shania, Ashmit, Susan, that in the winter season we wear woolen clothes. And do you know that which material used in it? Which material used in the woolen clothes? Anyone know this? That is made of wool. Very good, Shibam. That woolen clothes is made by wool. And this is the different material. So we get the cotton material, so made of cotton clothes, and we get the wool material to make woolen clothes, that which we use in winter, right? So we get here the two materials, cotton and wool. So now we all have those party wear, right? That we call so gorgeous. Do you have this? This when we wear it in the marriage ceremony or any party ceremony, so we wear those type of dresses and those things are very gorgeous. These things we use the every season with the any party season, okay? When we go to outside, when we go to marriage ceremony, right? And this is made up of silk. This is made up of silk, right? So that's very shiny dresses we all have, right, Patrali? Do you have this? Those silky dresses? Yes. So that is made up of silk, right? That is made up of silk. So the silk we get here the three types of material, the three types of dresses. So tell me the type of dresses and the which I told you the type of material. First one is cotton material, that made up of cotton clothes, right? Second one is woolen material, that made up woolen clothes, that which we wear in winter to protect us from cold, right? And the next one is silk material, and by silk we made up various gorgeous dresses, right? So we get here the three types of material, and the cotton clothes help us to keep cool. So tell me that why we wear cotton clothes in summer? What happened, Patrali? Tell me by using your chat box. I can't hear you. Okay. So tell me that why we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer time, right? And this keep our body cool. This keep our body cool because now this is summer time and there is very much hot outside of the house and anywhere. That's why we use the air cooler, we use fan, we use, so that keeps our body cool, and that's why we wear the cotton clothes and it keeps our body cool. Very good, Shania. So they also do the many things. These cotton clothes also do many things, and they allow air to pass through these cotton clothes. Okay, the cotton clothes helps us the air pass through it. Air passes through it and they absorb sweat. Now this time as this is so hot, that's why we sweat very much, right? We sweat very much, and that's why we wear the cotton clothes and it absorbs our sweat easily. Okay? Very good, Shania, Shomagni. So here I will write here that why we wear cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes. Very good, to keep our body. Ayush Pal, don't take snapshot. Good, Shomagni. So why we wear cotton clothes? The first answer is they keep us cool, right? They keep us cool. And the second one is it absorb sweat easily. That's why we use handkerchief, right? When you came to school and you all used handkerchief, right? So it absorbs sweat easily. Not only keep our body cool, Susan and Shrestha, I told you many times that it also do the many things. Not only keep our body cool. This is the one options among them to keep our body cool, and the another is it absorbs sweat easily. It absorbs sweat easily and allow air to pass through. Allow air to pass through. Very good, Shrestha, Susan. And the third option is allow air to pass through. So here the three types of works is doing the curtain clothes. So curtain clothes helps us those three things, and helps us. The first one is keeps our body cool. The next one is absorbs sweat easily, and the third one is allow air to pass through, right? And so that's why we wear woolen clothes. So you have to memorize those 3 points, okay? Those not only 1 point, you have to know about those 3 points. And so tell me now that which types of clothes we wear in winter and why we wear this. Anyone know this? Susan, Sibam, Shrestha, Patrali, Shomagni, anyone? Why? Which type of clothes we wear? In winter, we wear the woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter season, right? And it keeps us warm. It keeps our body warm. Only Shivam gave me the answer. Your woolen spelling is wrong. So correct it at first. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. You have to write W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen clothes. Shania, very good. Now tell me that why we wear woolen clothes in winter? You know about this. I know. You all know about this. That why we wear woolen clothes. Deboshmita, do you know why we wear woolen clothes in winter? Use your chat box. Why we wear woolen clothes in winter? Very good. Shivam, you got your answer at first. They keep our body warm. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. That's why we wear woolen clothes in winter. Deposhmita, I can't hear you. Use your chat box. Use your chat box only. Okay? Very good, Shania. So we wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep our body warm. And do you know that which things we wear in rainy season? Which things we wear in rainy season? Anyone know this? Give me answer fast using your chat box. So tell me which things we wear in rainy season. Raincoat, very good, Shrestha and Shivam. And gum boots, very good, very good. Where the others answer? Susan, where are you? And where is your answer? Very good, we wear woolen clothes in winter because it keeps our body warm. Very good, Susan. You always give in the full sentence. Very good. Good girl. Amartya, raincoat and gum boots also. So we wear raincoat and gum boots to protect our body from rain, right? In the rainy season, there is very much rain outside. So with that time, we wear raincoat and gum boots to protect our body from rain. Very good, Shivam. Shivam gave me the full answer, full sentence. And it keeps us dry. It keeps us dry. So here you can see at the page number 24, there is a question. When do you wear silk clothes? Do you know? Very good, Ahanaf. Sania, it's gum boots. Okay, G-U-M. Spelling mistakes you have. That gum boots, G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S, gum boots. Always take care of those spellings, okay? First one is raincoat that we wear in rainy season, and the second one is gum boots, G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S, gum boots. Amartya, boots, B-O-O-T-S, boots, okay? There is also, okay, Shrestha, to protect our body from rain. So now tell me, you can see here at the page number 24, here is a question. You can see that when do you wear silk clothes? When do you wear silk clothes? Ahana, very good. We use umbrella too, but we didn't wear it. Okay, that is not a wearing dresses, but we use it in rainy season. And when do you wear it? Anyone know this? Shivam told me in the summer, but not if we wear it in summer season, we feel very much hot and we get very much heat. So that's why we avoid the silk clothes in summer season. We avoid it. Okay. So tell me the right answer if anyone know this. That is winter and rainy season. Okay. Shrestha, don't copy your books. Okay, don't copy it. And know that you write here which you can see in the copy in your book. I ask you that when do we wear silk clothes? When do you wear silk clothes? So tell me when. Ahanaf, when do you wear silk clothes? It's winter and rainy. You Ahanaf that when, not from which thing. Okay, we get silk from an insect called silkworm. We get silk from silkworm, that is an insect. But when we wear this, and we also wear this in the any kind of ceremony, right? In the marriage ceremony, at the party, in those occasions, in the puja occasions. So that type of occasions we mainly wear these silk clothes. Did you understand, everyone? Deboshmita, Susan, give me the answer by using your chat box. Tell me fast. Okay. So, read this very attentively, that why we wear clothes. First we have to know that which things is our basic needs and why we wear clothes, and from which things we protect us. So, we wear very good, Susan, Shrestha, we wear silk clothes when we go for any kind of ceremony. Okay. So, clothes is our basic needs, as you know. So, we wear clothes for protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust, right? And we wear the different type of clothes and different type of air, and that made of different material. And we wear cotton clothes in summer, woolen clothes in winter, and rainy season we wear raincoat and gumboots, and we can also use umbrella. And the cotton clothes keep our, why we wear cotton clothes in summer? So we wear cotton clothes to keep our body cool, to allow hair to pass through and absorb sweat easily. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. And we wear woolen clothes in winter because it keeps our body warm. Okay? And we use raincoat and gumboots to protect our body from rain. So that's why we wear many types of clothes in many seasons, and they made of many types of materials. So you have to learn this, you have to read this very attentively, which I told you. If any problem, you can ask me now. Have you any problem on this chapter, on this page, which I taught you now, which I told you? Have you any problem, students? If any kind of problem you can tell me. Shibam, if we wear silk clothes in winter and we not mainly wear in winter in silk clothes, but if we wear, we can use the woolen clothes again. Okay, so that's why we avoid the cold. We can avoid the cold if we wear the silk clothes and over there we wear jacket or any kind of woolen clothes. So we can use it. But in the summer season, we can't use heavy clothes. Okay, so that's why we have to wear cotton clothes. But silk clothes didn't absorb sweat. Silk clothes can't help us to air passes. Okay, and it didn't help to keep our body cool. That's why didn't use the silk clothes. Okay, everyone. So read it very attentively. And this chapter. So that's all for today. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.